Good digestion is crucial for overall health, affecting everything from nutrient absorption to energy, mood, and immunity. However, poor digestion can lead to discomfort such as bloating, gas, and indigestion. The good news is that improving digestion doesn't require costly supplements or medications. Instead, small, consistent habits can make a big impact on how your body processes food and eliminates waste. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 natural ways to support your digestive system. These easy-to-implement habits will help you feel better, look better, and enhance your overall wellness. Let's dive in and discover how to improve your digestion naturally. 1. Mastering the rest and digest posture. We often overlook the importance of posture when it comes to digestion. Your body needs to be in the correct position to digest food efficiently. A well-aligned body helps the digestive organs function optimally, promoting better food breakdown and nutrient absorption. That's where the concept of the rest and digest posture comes into play. Instead of eating while hunched over at a desk or while slouched on the couch, try sitting in a posture that supports the digestive process. Using a squatty potty or simply ensuring your knees are slightly above your hips while sitting helps open up the colon and relaxes the muscles that are involved in waste elimination. This posture straightens out the puborectalis muscle, a key player in eliminating waste. By ensuring that your body is in the right position while eating, you facilitate the smooth movement of food through the digestive tract, making the process quicker and more effective. When you eat while hunched or slouched, you might experience bloating, discomfort, and even constipation due to the restricted flow of digestion. This happens because poor posture can create pressure on the digestive organs, slowing down the transit of food and waste. It's a simple change that doesn't require much effort, but can have a big impact on digestion. The next time you sit down for a meal, pay attention to your posture. It may seem small, but it can be one of the simplest yet most effective ways to reduce bloating and improve digestion naturally. Even a minor adjustment, like sitting upright or using the squatty potty, can make a noticeable difference in how you feel after eating. 2. Boost your greens. Try the 30 plant challenge. Diversity is the secret ingredient to a healthy gut. The more variety you introduce into your diet, the better your gut microbiome can thrive. Your microbiome, the collection of bacteria living in your digestive system, plays a huge role in digestion, immunity, and overall health. A simple yet powerful approach to supporting your gut health is the 30 plant a week challenge. Research from the American Gut Project has shown that people who consume a diverse range of plants, whether fruits, vegetables, seeds, or spices, have significantly more diverse microbiomes. The diversity of bacteria in your gut is linked to better digestion, stronger immunity, and reduced bloating. The goal is to consume 30 different plants per week. This may sound like a lot, but it can easily be done by incorporating a variety of fruits, vegetables, herbs, nuts, seeds, and even spices into your meals. For instance, include herbs like basil and rosemary. Try different fruit every day, or add nuts and seeds to your salads. You can also explore different grains, legumes, and fermented foods like sauerkraut or kimchi, which are rich in probiotics. Each new plant provides your gut with a new source of prebiotics, which are the food that beneficial bacteria thrive on. The greater the variety of plants, the more variety of bacteria your microbiome can support. This improves digestion, reduces bloating, and helps your gut handle food more efficiently. Additionally, plant-based foods are packed with fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants that promote overall gut health, reduce inflammation, and contribute to better overall well-being. By focusing on plant diversity, you're nourishing your gut bacteria and optimizing digestive processes. 3. The power of hydration. Stay consistently hydrated. Water is essential for digestion. It helps break down food so that nutrients can be absorbed, and it also flushes out waste products. Yet, many people unknowingly suffer from dehydration, which can lead to bloating, constipation, and digestive sluggishness. The solution? Stay hydrated consistently throughout the day. When you're dehydrated, your digestive system struggles to process food. Water helps produce digestive enzymes, which break down food, making it easier for your body to absorb nutrients. Additionally, staying hydrated helps keep things moving through the intestines, reducing the chances of constipation and bloating. Dehydration can make your intestines sluggish, leading to discomfort and difficulty eliminating waste, contributing to a feeling of fullness and bloating. Aim for around 8 cups, 64 ounces of water per day, but remember that your specific hydration needs may vary based on factors like activity level, climate, and individual health conditions. Athletes or those who are physically active may need more, as their bodies lose fluids through sweat. Similarly, hot or humid climates can increase your need for hydration. To make sure you're consistently hydrated, carry a water bottle with you and take small sips throughout the day. Make it a habit to drink water first thing in the morning and between meals to stay on track. In addition to plain water, you can also boost hydration by incorporating water-rich foods into your meals. Fruits and vegetables like cucumbers, oranges, and watermelon are packed with water and help keep your body hydrated. Hydration is one of the simplest ways to improve digestion, reduce bloating, and support overall gut health, providing energy and reducing digestive discomfort. 4. Incorporating probiotic-rich foods for gut health. Probiotics are the good bacteria that reside in your gut, and they play a crucial role in digestion. They help break down food, fight harmful bacteria, and support immune function. One of the most effective ways to improve gut health and digestion naturally is by adding probiotic-rich foods to your diet. These beneficial bacteria are key to maintaining a balanced microbiome, which is essential for overall gut health. Fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi are excellent sources of probiotics. These foods help populate your gut with beneficial bacteria, which can improve digestion, reduce bloating, and enhance overall gut function. As probiotics help balance the microbiome, they ensure that harmful bacteria don't overtake the good bacteria in your digestive system. You don't need to take expensive probiotic supplements to reap the benefits. Including a variety of fermented foods in your daily meals is a simple and natural way to improve digestion. Try adding yogurt or kefir to your breakfast, tossing some sauerkraut or kimchi into a salad, or drinking kombucha for a gut-friendly beverage. These simple additions to your diet can go a long way in supporting your gut health. Probiotics are also beneficial for reducing symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, such as bloating, gas, and abdominal discomfort. By nurturing your gut microbiome with probiotics, you can support optimal digestion, reduce bloating, improve gut health, and promote overall well-being. Regularly consuming probiotic-rich foods is a natural and effective way to enhance your digestive system, promote gut balance, and keep bloating at bay. 5. Practice stress management for better digestion. We often overlook how stress impacts digestion, but chronic stress can wreak havoc on your digestive system. When you're stressed, your body is in fight or flight mode, which diverts blood away from your digestive organs and slows down digestion. This can lead to bloating, indigestion, gut inflammation, and long-term digestive issues. One of the most effective ways to improve digestion and reduce bloating is by managing your stress. Practices like mindful breathing, meditation, and yoga are excellent tools for relaxing the mind and body. These techniques activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for the rest and digest response. This shift helps your digestive system function properly, allowing for smoother digestion, less bloating, and improved nutrient absorption. Even simple activities like taking regular breaks throughout the day to relax, going for a short walk, or practicing deep breathing exercises can help reduce the negative effects of stress on your digestive system. It's important to prioritize stress management for both mental and physical health. Over time, consistent stress reduction practices will help improve digestion, reduce bloating, promote overall well-being, and allow your gut to function optimally, ensuring that you feel more balanced and less stressed. There you have it, the top 5 natural methods to improve digestion and reduce bloating. By adopting mindful eating habits, staying hydrated, incorporating probiotics, managing stress, and focusing on diverse plant-based foods, you can significantly improve your gut health and feel better every day. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on supporting your digestive health and overall wellness. Let me know in the comments which methods you're most excited to try and share your own experiences with gut health. See you in the next video.